Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to transfer money from Revolut to Revolut. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow the steps that I'm going to show you on the screen. So first thing that you will do guys is just simply go ahead and select payments from the menu bar at the bottom of your application, the Revolut application. And after that, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top of the page, or you can just simply select a friend or a contact. And now you can search them by phone number, email, ref tag, or scan a QR code. Once you have selected your friend or a contact, just simply tap on send, and from there just simply provide the amount that you want to send, and after that just simply tap on send again, and from there you should be able to send it into your friend. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.